Jam One Media TV, the Leader TV. Another topic today, mass grave is found in Riverli, St Catharine, in Spanish Town area. Reports are that over 50 skeletons has been found in the St Catharine area. They said it was linked to the Klanz gang in Spanish Town. That's the most feared gang in Spanish Town from back in the early 2000s. You know, once used to run by dons like Bulby, then dons like Tesha Miller and so forth. They said there's a lot excavation going on, searching for other skeletons. The investigation team on site saying that they're working off of intelligence that they have received over 2 years now. They went to the site a few times before and haven't they wasn't able to find anything back then, and now they continue the search, and with further intelligence they're now finding bodies that was buried for years now, fully decomposed bodies, and they are continuing investigation and they are continuing excavation, and the forensic scientists are there going for over 2 days now, and they're still digging to find more bodies that they're said to be buried there.
Any clothing, anything of the sort?
Yeah, we also found clothing. The bodies were actually wrapped in different type of clothing. Previously we came and we actually recovered, I think it was a pair of underpants. We also found that was found before we came on a previous occasion.
Were you able to find out information as to how these people were killed, using the bullets or anything like that?
It's early days yet. It's through the process of investigation, and as the scientists, they do their work, then we will make a determination in terms of the cause of death, how they were killed. Based on what we are picking up on the ground, the strategy is actually working. There's a reduction in crime that is associated with gang. I think that must be pointed out.
Gangs are broken when their finances are reduced. Is the country working fervently to break the finances of gangs?
We have used multiple approach to our investigation. It includes the actual arrest. We have intervention strategy, and in the process we are also treating with the assets. But you know, it's a process. It's a process, and ultimately when the process is complete, we're going to see the big picture. Because as you said, the finances of the gang, if it is not broken, then the potential is there for them to re-emerge. But we are ensuring that when we conclude, there's no possibility for these gangs to re-emerge. And I must point out that we are not only working locally, but we are joint investigation with our international partners. We are getting significant support from our international partners in terms of our anti-gang strategy and our anti-gang efforts. Some of the things I can't say, but ultimately it will be revealed at the appropriate time.
Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell for new videos. Jamaica has been plagued with this crime monster, this crime demon from way back in the 70s and the 80s, you know, coming up with gangs like Shower Posse, Spanglers Gang, and just to name a few. You know, Shower Posse was a gang that reaped havoc, you know, and the United States, Canada and England, you know what I mean, linked to big dons, that big incarcerated dons like Dudus and, you know, other members of the criminal network, criminal enterprise. You know, so Jamaica has been plagued with this thing for far too long now. You know, and I think it's time for the citizens to recondition their mind in support of the JCF, JDF and the giant intelligent operation which they are carrying out in order to curb the crime you know, under the supervision of Andrew Holness or any other member of parliament them that is supporting this peace, you know. Because for far too long, Jamaica and the politicians have been linked to crime and criminal enterprise, you know. Yo, it is as bad as it can get, man. Trust me. And a lot of these politicians were known for issuing out guns in and around election times to garrison communities, you know, for these men in the garrison communities, fairly illiterate people, you understand? Large number of illiterate people manipulated them and used them, you know, understand me, to capture and kill and to hold power over the community and the constituency in which they serve. You know what I mean? So for far too long this has been going on, man, and people in the diaspora are fed up and tired, and they're pressuring the government of Jamaica to respond to this situation by cleaning up the country. You know what I mean? Cleaning up the crime and kill out all these criminal enterprise. These criminals, come on. Jamaica is an island paradise and we need it back. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.